Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have my Louis Vuitton damier pieces back here because it is a hint at what is to come. It's not Louis Vuitton, it's actually from a brand called Sprayground. So Sprayground is I guess like a street brand. It's kind of inspired by Louis Vuitton and Supreme and Bait. Oh, I just got this really cute backpack keychain, and this is called Sharks in camo, and it looks like it has that damier check pattern, and it's so cute. This was $15, and so I was actually at the LV boutique in the Saks, New York City over the weekend, and they make this exact same keychain backpack, a backpack keychain. I think it was like $750 so for a keychain. So I was like, no thanks, I will get this $15 super cute backpack instead. So this is it. It has a key ring and it has a little lobster clasp, and I just thought this would look so cute attached to one of my damier bags. That's my Louis Vuitton damier Chelsea tote bag, and I would just have it hang over and maybe keep kind of like hand sanitizer or something. I wouldn't keep cards and money or anything in here just because it's kind of hanging outside the bag, but hand sanitizer, maybe chapstick, you know, hand cream, stuff that you want easily accessible, but it's kind of cheap. I would have that hanging over the edge, and I'll show you what it looks like attached to it when I'm done. So that was the first thing. This is a true unboxing. So this is what it looks like here. And this is the toiletry pouch. I don't know what they call it. Yeah, it's the toiletry pouch. And it has, so this is called Sharks in Paris. And if you go to their site, they have different collections. They had one, I think it was called like Sharks in, I don't know, Italy, I guess. And it looked like the Gucci kind of print. So this is the Sharks in Paris line, and it has that damier, you know, inspired by damier print. So this is different from this one, which is the Sharks in camo, where you can see the green camo pattern. So this is Sharks in Paris, and it has a little shark thing on the side. And I just thought this was so cute. Looking at getting either the Trousse Toilette or the men's toiletry bag from Louis Vuitton. Oh my gosh, look, even the lining has a little shark's mouth. So it has two pockets, and it has nice gusset sides so nothing spills out. Has a little bracelet handle. The zippers are nice. It says Sprayground on there. And then this zips open. I'm gonna have to stuff this because it's kind of crushed. That's it. It says Sprayground, limited edition, never produced again. The journey begins. This little zipper inside, and then this, another little zipper. Little silica. So I thought this was really cute for travel. And I like that the lining is plastic and wipeable. So this has a little plastic on top of the Sprayground logo. So I'm gonna just do that for now until I get close to using it. I had to get it. What is the backpack? And this is also the Sharks in Paris design. Oh, it looks so sad. It's all squished right now. Okay, so I was looking, they don't make it anymore, but I really wanted at some point, and I'll get the Louis Vuitton Montsouris GM backpack. I have the Palm Springs mini, and that's just what I use. I like the mini because it has a crossbody. The straps are detachable, and you can wear it as a crossbody or as a shoulder bag. And so that's great when I'm just on my own. But with my kids, I want a bigger bag, and I want my hands free, so I wanted a backpack. And so I was considering getting the Montsouris GM, and at some point I will get it. It's not made anymore. I think they remade it a few years ago, but I don't like how it is now. The pocket in the front, like how this has a pocket, which is kind of crushed now, but the new model Montsouris, which that they even stopped making that, it was just totally flat. So I just really can't see that I would really be able to fit anything in there in the front pocket. So I got this just to kind of tide me over until I am able to get the Montsouris GM. I'll hold off on that, but I can't, I don't even know. Okay, so okay, here are the zippers. So I guess it's a turn. Okay, yeah, so you turn it. So this is kind of a fancy zipper. So there you go, that there. And then zips up in here. they had another one. It's the Galaxy, Sharks Galaxy, whatever. And it was bigger than this. And it was purple, and it looked like it had like this overspray, like the, you know, the stars in the sky, and in the, or this, what is starry, what is it? Milky Way. But I like this because, you know, I don't know, it's kind of cute. And I like this, that the shark's mouth is just on the side. It's not just like this huge thing right in front. So at some point I will, okay, so it's a Lobster Clasp here, so I guess it keeps it a little secure from being able to be open. So this is the front pocket, a little crushed. You just have to open it up. But yeah, this is pretty roomy, so I could see myself putting my cell phone, you know, my stuff, my keys in here, and then using this back part as the kind of diaper bag portion. So it has a laptop sleeve here that's separate, and it's padded for laptop. It only opens up this much, so you can have to pull it open there. The laptop can go here, and then there's another zip pocket here. So, oh, there's another pocket back here. So this has a Velcro, and then it's another slip pocket that goes the entire length of the bag. So that's nice. Yeah, so if you're using this for travel, you can keep, you know, whatever, papers back there, I guess. So I don't know what I was thinking. I thought it had bottle pockets on the side, you know, for like a water bottle or diaper, or not diaper, baby bottles, but it doesn't, but that's okay. So this was $80, retail for $80, and I was able to get 10% off. So 10% off on all three of these things. So that's the Sharks in Paris backpack. And here, I'll try it on. Let's see what it looks like. So that's backpack. This it doesn't use just the straps, but I would wear it about here. It's cute. It's not too big. You can keep it on your shoulder, or you kind of go in here. Which I like. This way you don't have to take your whole backpack off. And so the only thing is, I mean, you don't have to use this closure here. But it's, you know, if you do want to use this for just to be extra secure, you have to keep it in the center. And then you turn it, and then it's pretty secure. If you want to be able to get into your backpack, though, you know, kind of when it's on one shoulder, that's what I would do. I would keep the zippers on this side. This way you can just kind of pop it on and off. Turn it around. And then kind of go in here and grab what you need quickly without having to open the whole thing, or without having to take the backpack off. So that's what that looks like. And then if you wanted to clip this onto here, I don't even know where, oh, it's here, but then you wouldn't be able to close it. I guess you could, it really makes sense to do it here. But then that's too low, I don't know. I guess you can do whatever you want, but okay. Okay, that looks silly. Okay, let's put it over here. Yeah, see? Okay, that's kind of low. So yeah, I wouldn't wear it on here, honestly. For me, I would wear it on my bag. And this is my work bag. You know, it's structured, it's covered. I just, if I just want to have fun, I could just put it on here. And then my coworkers would be like, why do you have a shark on your bag? And I would say, mind your business. Do what I want. So there's that. I used to keep this, which I'll show. I got this really cute bear bag charm, and it's in a similar like fake damier pattern. I got this from Amazon, and it was like $10 or something. So I used to have this on here actually, and then when I got this, I was like, okay, you're moving. So I have it on my favorite, which I think looks kind of cute on here. So that's my Sprayground order. So if you want to see, compare it, that's the LV Damier. And then here is, yeah, so you can see it's quite the difference. Obviously this Sprayground doesn't have the Louis Vuitton written out, which is good because this is not a, it's not a replica, it's inspired by bag. So they have other collections too that I was kind of interested in. Even with this collection, the Sharks in Paris, they had a duffel bag, and then they had a small duffel that kind of looked like a Speedy. It actually, I have, that's my Speedy 35 up there. The Sharks in Paris duffel, small duffel, I think it looked really big. It looked like a Speedy 40, and the woman in the picture, she was holding it kind of like a purse, not a travel bag. So it looked like you're just carrying a Speedy 40, but just maybe a little more elongated, and then there were pockets on the side. And they also had like a never full type that was sold out. So that's that. So here's my Sprayground order. So I'm kind of excited about this. I can see myself using this, just, you know, being able to toss this around. This was, I think, 40. This was 40. This was 80. This is just sad looking backpack right now. Yeah, this was 80, but this was so cute, and this was only 15. So I could really see myself getting a lot of use out of this. So that was my Sprayground haul. If you like what you saw, please subscribe and check out my Instagram at A Heated Mess. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.